Okay, now let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. In IELTS speaking part 2, examiner will give you a topic along with pen and paper, a very small piece of paper, pen, 1 minute time to read the topic and write down some notes, right? Now, one of my students, he was very much familiar with the cue card and he told the examiner, I don't want to prepare anything, so you can start now. But examiner said, Hausla rak means just wait, calm down. So they, because they have the protocols, they record your speaking test. And if it is IELTS UKVI, they make video of that. Right? Then they upload on TikTok. Just joking, not TikTok, okay? They will only make your video for their own record, right? So speaking part 2, they'll give you a topic, pen and paper, 1 minute time. You can read the topic, you can make some notes, then again read the topic, make some notes, and the notes should be made like outline, like headings, right? I mean, if when you were at school, if you ever cheated, you wrote all the outlines, all the, what do you call them, headings. So you look at the first heading, and then you write your full answer. Look at second heading and write your answer. So write headings for your answer. And after 1 minute, examiner will say, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Topic is in front of you. Notes are there. Pencil is in your hand and you can speak. What do many students do? When examiner says, you will now have to speak on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes, they say, okay, topic is gone there. And they start talking. They don't look at the topic. They don't look at the points. So when you do that, there are chances. Because, when it comes to speaking English, 1 minute is a long time. You're talking to somebody on mobile package, 1 hour is a short time. Yeah, I say 1 hour gone, no problem. Next hour, I have a package. Okay, yeah, I have late night package and all that stuff, right? So you don't know 1 minute time is over or not. So for part 2, allow the examiner to stop you. Otherwise, go on. And if you stop before a minute, examiner will say, carry on and all that, right? So do not disconnect yourselves with the topic in speaking part 2. Don't just throw the topic and start talking and all that. You need to take a look at the topic. Take a look at your points. Like first you can cover your first point. Then take a look at second point, cover that, third point, cover that. And if you miss any point, there is no penalty. If you miss any cue from the cue card, there is no penalty. As long as you speak on the main topic, that's perfectly okay. After speaking for 1 to 2 minutes, and after 1 minute, they will stop you anytime. Examiners are very busy. There are so many candidates in the queue. So after 1 minute, they will say thank you. They'll take the topic back from you, and then they have IELTS speaking part 3, right?